My name is Matthias Oppliger and I'm a media officer at Tide Ocean. It all started when our mother company, the Braloba Group, they were contacted by a client and asked if they could do a watch strap out of ocean plastic. Tide Ocean is a company we do in collaboration with partners and partner companies. We collect plastic, for example in Thailand, and then it gets sorted, shredded, washed and shipped to Switzerland, where we do granules from that plastic. It's 8 million tons every year. It's a huge number, and if you compare it to the amount that is produced, I think that's 300 million tons every year, and almost nothing gets recycled. So almost every piece of plastic that was ever produced is still around in one place or another. And so there's a lot of plastic around, and like we say, you don't need to produce new plastic. There's a lot around anyway, and why not use that as a valuable raw material to create new products. Also, a big problem is that plastic, when it's in the ocean for a long time, it breaks down and it becomes the microplastic. That's a really common term, and that sinks down to the ground, and there's actually no real way to collect that anymore. So most of the plastic which ends up in the ocean will stay there forever. We not only clean up the oceans, but like what we're trying to do is to show the world that this plastic that's lying around, that's swimming around, that it actually has value. It's valuable. It's not trash. You just have to pick it up and treat it the right way, and then it's really valuable raw material. That's our main goal. And of course, if that change of perspective from its waste to it's a valuable raw material, if that is a success, then of course we will have a big impact, and I hope there's a lot more companies coming to do and try the same.